What if your company didn't have to rely on public telecom operators for connectivity? What if your business could own a dedicated 5G network, faster, more secure, and custom-built to your needs? Imagine factories where machines talk to each other in real time without lag. Hospitals where surgeons use remote robotics with zero delay. Airports where logistics run so smoothly, delays become a thing of the past. This isn't a far-off dream. It's happening now, through private 5G networks. Welcome to the Christian Omeni Tech channel, your trusted hub for cutting-edge tech insights, smart solutions, and future-forward innovation. If you're passionate about technology and want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and join a growing community of thinkers, builders, and tech enthusiasts. Fresh content drops regularly, don't miss out. So let's dive in. 1. What are private 5G networks? Let's start simple. We all know what Wi-Fi is. It powers your phone, laptop, and even your smart TV. Now imagine Wi-Fi on steroids. Faster, more secure, and capable of handling millions of devices at once. That's essentially what a private 5G network offers, but for enterprises. Unlike public 5G that's operated by telecom carriers and shared by millions, private 5G is owned by an organization itself. It's like having your own exclusive highway instead of fighting traffic on a public road. Key features: speed, ultra-fast data transfer, supporting real-time communication. Security: since the network is private, data never leaves the enterprise perimeter. Customization: tailored to business needs, whether that's high bandwidth, low latency, or both. Reliability: no congestion from the outside world. 2. Why enterprises are choosing private 5G? So, why the sudden interest? Let's break it down. Security concerns: with data breaches costing billions globally, companies don't want sensitive data passing through public networks. A private 5G network gives them full control. Performance needs: traditional Wi-Fi struggles in environments with thousands of connected devices. Think of factories with IoT sensors, AGVs, automated guided vehicles, and robotic arms, all needing real-time data. Wi-Fi just can't keep up. Regulation and compliance: some industries, like defense, healthcare, and finance, must comply with strict data regulations. Private 5G ensures data stays local. Edge computing synergy: pairing private 5G with edge computing allows instant processing right where the data is generated, reducing latency dramatically. 3. Real-life demos of private 5G. Now let's make it real. Smart manufacturing, Industry 4.0. Picture a car factory. Robotic arms assemble parts with millisecond precision, guided by AI models at the edge. Private 5G ensures zero lag, so one glitch doesn't stall the entire line. Downtime costs manufacturers millions. Private 5G reduces that risk. Healthcare: imagine a surgeon in London remotely operating on a patient in Nairobi using robotic tools. For this to happen safely, you need a stable, ultra-low latency connection. Private 5G makes such miracles possible. Airports and ports in logistics hubs: delays are costly. With private 5G, drones track cargo, autonomous vehicles move shipments, and AI monitors security, all on the same private network. Energy and mining: deep in remote oil fields or underground mines, connectivity is a nightmare. Private 5G ensures stable communication for safety sensors, remote monitoring, and equipment control. 4. The technology behind it. So, how does this magic work? Private 5G relies on spectrum access. Enterprises either lease spectrum from telecom operators or use unlicensed or shared spectrum allocated by regulators. Core network: the enterprise runs its own 5G core, either on premises or in a hybrid model with the cloud. Edge computing: processing happens at the network edge to guarantee ultra-low latency. Security layers: end-to-end encryption, firewalls, and AI monitoring for anomalies. Think of it as building your own mini telecom operator inside your business. 5. Future predictions. Now, what does the future hold? Mainstream adoption: by 2030, experts predict that most Fortune 500 companies will run private 5G for critical operations. Integration with AI and IoT: imagine factories where AI predicts equipment failure in real time, instantly communicated across private 5G to trigger preventive maintenance. 6G horizon: private 5G is a stepping stone to private 6G networks, enabling things like holographic communication and fully autonomous operations. Smarter cities: governments could deploy private 5G in smart city districts, controlling traffic lights, public transport, and emergency services with unmatched efficiency. 6. Making it relatable. So, what does this mean for you and me? For employees, it means fewer dropped video calls when collaborating with global teams. For gamers and creators, imagine lag-free streaming and VR experiences in enterprise spaces like esports arenas or film studios. For families, if private 5G becomes affordable for residential estates, families could enjoy stable, high-speed connections for school, work, and entertainment. For startups, private 5G opens doors to innovation, building apps and devices that rely on guaranteed ultra-fast connectivity. It's not just about big corporations, it's about an ecosystem that eventually touches everyday life. 7. Challenges and ethical concerns. Of course, no technology is perfect. Cost barrier. Deploying private 5G is expensive. Hardware, spectrum, maintenance. SMEs may struggle to adopt. Spectrum politics. Governments must decide how much spectrum to allocate for private use. This could slow adoption. Skill gap. Running a private network requires telecom expertise, which many enterprises lack. Cybersecurity. While private 5G is secure, it's not immune. Hackers target private cores, making AI-driven security vital. Job shifts. Automation powered by private 5G could reduce certain roles in manufacturing and logistics, raising workforce concerns. Transparency, regulation, and human oversight will be crucial for sustainable growth. 8. Private 5G is no longer a buzzword. It's a reality transforming industries and shaping our future. Whether it's powering the factories of tomorrow, enabling life-saving surgeries, or creating smarter cities, the impact will be massive. The question is, will your organization be ready to embrace it? If you found this exploration valuable, don't stop here. Subscribe to the Christian Omeni Tech channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with friends who want to understand the future of technology. Together, we'll keep discovering the innovations that are shaping tomorrow's world. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.